Today, I'm going to talk about a dialogue between two friends about early rising. So, let's start. Noman, excuse me, I think you are a newcomer. Usman, yes. Noman, I'm also a newcomer. Usman, glad to meet you. Where have you come from? Noman, my father is a private officer. Now he has transferred to USA. So I have come here. Usman, my father is a doctor. Noman, why have you chosen this school? Usman, you know this school best in the city. Noman, you are right. I also admitted for this reason. Usman, what is your aim? Noman, I want to be a doctor. And your aim? Usman, I want to study computer engineering. Noman, thank you. Have you got class routine? Usman, yes, you can get it from my diary. Noman, thank you very much. Usman, you are mostly welcomed. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video lecture. Take care. Goodbye.